I think it's safe to say that Buchanan is trying to plant the seeds of chaos in the center and the west central. Because on September the 3rd, the election was called, results came after, and Johannes won that seat. Now, afterwards, you said you believe that you won, Mr. Buchanan. You gave your complaints, you brought them to the media, and you brought them to the constituted authority. The constituted authority recently rejected your request to have the results voided. So now you're taking actions against the constituted authority? You're going to the courts for the constituted authority? Where does it stop? So it's either this gentleman is delusional or this gentleman is actively trying to plant seeds of chaos in the constituency. But these are just my thoughts. What are yours?